In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the upload blocked error on OneDrive, step by step, in a simple way that's easy for beginners to follow. If you're trying to upload or sync files to OneDrive and keep seeing an upload blocked message, don't worry, this is a common issue, and it's usually caused by sync conflicts or Office integration problems. Let's start from the beginning. First, make sure you're signed in to OneDrive. Open your browser, go to Microsoft's website, and sign in to your OneDrive account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, confirm that your files are visible in OneDrive. Now let's fix the upload issue. The most common solution is to disable Office integration. On your computer, look at the taskbar near the clock. Find the OneDrive cloud icon, then right-click on it. From the menu, open Settings. Inside the settings, look for the option related to Office apps syncing files and turn that option off. This prevents conflicts between OneDrive and Office files. Next, try signing out and signing back in. Right-click the OneDrive icon again, select Sign Out, and confirm. After signing out, reopen OneDrive and sign in with the same account. This refreshes the connection and often clears upload errors. If the problem still continues, clearing the Office or OneDrive cache can help. Right-click the OneDrive icon, go to Settings, and look for Cache or Reset options. If you're using OneDrive in a browser, open the browser settings, find Privacy or Storage options, and clear cached files. Then restart your browser and try uploading again. After completing these steps, give OneDrive a moment to resync and try uploading your file once more. In most cases, the upload blocked error should now be fixed. And that's how you fix the upload blocked error on OneDrive. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.